Welcome to MathQuants channel. Today we are going to see the ninth problem of CBSE class 10th max sample paper. The ninth problem is if two tangents are inclined at 60 degree or drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeter, then find the length of each tangent. In the problem, it is given that PA and PB are two tangents. They are inclined at 60 degree. Find out the length of the PA. So this is the problem. So to answer or to find out the length of PA, join point O and point P. Okay. So in order to find out the length of PA, we join a point O and point P. So if you join, then OAP is a right angle triangle. Okay, and this point or this line OP divides this angle into two equal parts. Angle APO is 30 degree and angle OPB is 30 degree. So in order to find out the length of each tangent, join point O and P. Now angle OAP is a right angle triangle. OPA is 30, OPB is equal to 30 degree. In angle OAP, tan 30 equal to, find out tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is, okay, is a radius. So 3 centimeter divided by adjacent side is AP, that is the length of the tangent. So we need to find out this AP. So cross multiply this and we can get the AP is equal to 3 by tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Therefore 3 by 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into, if denominator is okay, if denominator is 1 by root 3, then if it comes to the numerator, then it becomes root 4. The required answer AP is equal to 3 root 3 is the required answer. Ninth question is an optional one. The optional question is PQ is a tangent to a circle with center O at point P. If OPQ is an isosceles triangle, then find angle OQP. So this is a circle having center O and PQ is a tangent, okay, drawn to this circle at the point P. Okay, and also it is given this angle OP, triangle OPQ is an isosceles triangle. Okay, we need to find out angle OQP. What is this angle? We need to find out. Okay, so we know that the measure of, since measure of triangle is 180 degree, since measure of triangle is 180 degree, or we can say the angle, the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, and angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree, which is angle OPQ is 90 degree. Always tangent makes an angle 90 degree with the radius. Okay, therefore angle OPQ is equal to 90. And also you know an isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two equal sides. Also the two angles opposite to the two equal sides are equal. Hence, angle OQP equal to 45 degree. So these are the two equal sides. Okay, and the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal in measure. Okay, therefore, so this is 90 degree and the measure of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, this angle and this angle are equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the required angle is 45 degree. Angle OQP is equal to 45 degree. This is the required answer.